Welcome to the first video of our series, Legal Tips for Updating Your Estate Plan. Whether you've already created an estate plan or are just starting to think about it, one thing is clear: life is full of changes, and your estate plan needs to keep up. From new family members to changes in your finances or even shifts in the law, keeping your estate plan updated is the key to ensuring your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected. In this video, we'll explore why updating your estate plan regularly is not just a good idea, it's essential. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your assets are secure, your family's future is safeguarded, and everything you've worked so hard for will be managed according to your wishes. Let's dive in and make sure your estate plan is doing exactly what it should, taking care of the people and things you love most. Introduction to the concept of estate planning. Estate planning is a crucial aspect of managing your assets and ensuring that your wishes are carried out after your passing. It involves making a plan in advance and naming who you want to receive your assets when you die. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It is important for individuals of all income levels to have a plan in place to protect their loved ones and their assets. The main goal of estate planning is to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after your death. This includes assets such as real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal belongings. By having a well-thought-out estate plan, you can also minimize the tax burden on your beneficiaries and avoid the lengthy and costly probate process. Estate planning also involves making decisions about who will make medical and financial decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. By creating documents such as a healthcare directive and power of attorney, you can appoint trusted individuals to act on your behalf when you are unable to do so. In addition to asset distribution and incapacity planning, estate planning can also involve minimizing estate taxes, providing for minor children or family members with special needs, and planning for the care of pets. Estate planning is a comprehensive process that takes into account your unique circumstances and goals to create a plan that reflects your wishes and provides peace of mind for you and your loved ones. In the following sections of this video series, we will delve deeper into the various aspects of estate planning, including the importance of updating your estate plan regularly, common estate planning tools and documents, and practical tips for creating a solid estate plan that meets your needs. By taking the time to understand the concept of estate planning and implementing a well-crafted plan, you can protect your legacy and ensure that your wishes are carried out according to your intentions. Importance of updating estate plans regularly. Estate planning is a critical process that involves making decisions about how your assets and affairs will be managed and distributed after your passing. While creating an estate plan is a crucial step, it is equally important to recognize the significance of regularly updating your estate plan to ensure that it accurately reflects your current circumstances and wishes. Here are some key reasons why updating your estate plan on a regular basis is essential. Changes in personal circumstances. Life is unpredictable, and various events such as marriage, divorce, birth of children or grandchildren, death of a family member, changes in health status, or significant financial developments can impact your estate plan. Updating your estate plan allows you to incorporate these changes and ensure that your wishes are still relevant and achievable. 2. Changes in laws and regulations. Estate planning laws and regulations are subject to frequent changes at both the federal and state levels. Staying informed about these changes and updating your estate plan accordingly can help you take advantage of new planning opportunities, minimize tax implications, and ensure that your plan remains legally valid and effective. 3. Asset acquisitions or dispositions. Over time, you may acquire new assets, investments, or properties, or dispose of existing ones. Updating your estate plan enables you to account for these changes and determine how you want these assets to be distributed among your beneficiaries. 4. Changes in beneficiary designations. It is crucial to review and update beneficiary designations on assets such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and bank accounts regularly. Failing to update beneficiary designations in your estate plan can lead to unintended consequences and disputes among family members. 5. Protecting vulnerable beneficiaries. If you have minor children, individuals with special needs, or other vulnerable beneficiaries, updating your estate plan allows you to establish trusts, guardianships, or other protective mechanisms to ensure that their interests are safeguarded and their needs are adequately met. 6. Maintaining privacy and confidentiality. By updating your estate plan, you can address any changes in your preferences regarding privacy and confidentiality. You may wish to revise provisions related to the disclosure of financial information or the distribution of assets in a discreet manner. 7. Peace of mind. Regularly updating your estate plan provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your affairs are in order and that your loved ones will be taken care of according to your wishes. It also allows you to communicate any changes in your intentions clearly and effectively. Updating your estate plan regularly is a proactive and responsible approach to estate planning that ensures your wishes are accurately reflected, your assets are protected, and your loved ones are provided for. Consulting with legal professionals and financial advisors can help you navigate the complexities of estate planning and make informed decisions to secure your legacy. Common life events that necessitate updates to an estate plan. Life is full of changes and transitions, and many of these events can have a significant impact on your estate plan. It's important to regularly review and update your estate plan to ensure that it reflects your current wishes and circumstances. Here are some common life events that may necessitate updates to your estate plan. Marriage or divorce. Getting married or divorced can have a major impact on your estate plan. You may want to update your will, trust, and beneficiary designations to reflect your new marital status and ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. 2. Birth or adoption of a child. The arrival of a new child or grandchild often prompts the need to update your estate plan. You may want to designate guardians for minor children, update your beneficiaries, and consider setting up a trust for their benefit. 3. Death of a family member. The death of a spouse, parent, or other family member may require changes to your estate plan. You may need to update your beneficiaries, revise your will, or make other adjustments to ensure that your estate is distributed as you intend. 4. Changes in financial circumstances. Significant changes in your financial situation, such as receiving a large inheritance, starting a new business, or experiencing a financial windfall, may necessitate updates to your estate plan. You may want to review your tax planning strategies, update your asset distribution plan, and consider establishing or modifying trusts. 5. Relocation to a new state or country. Moving to a new state or country can have legal implications for your estate plan. Laws governing wills, trusts, and probate vary from one jurisdiction to another, so it's important to review your estate plan with an attorney familiar with the laws of your new location. 6. Changes in health or incapacity. If you or a loved one experience changes in health or become incapacitated, you may need to update your estate plan to ensure that your wishes are carried out in the event of illness or disability. This may involve establishing powers of attorney, healthcare directives, or living wills. 7. Changes in relationships or beneficiaries. Changes in your relationships with family members or beneficiaries may also prompt updates to your estate plan. You may want to remove or add beneficiaries, update your executor or trustee designations, or make other adjustments to reflect your current relationships and wishes. Life is full of changes, and it's important to regularly review and update your estate plan to ensure that it remains current and aligned with your wishes. By staying proactive and working with an experienced estate planning attorney, you can navigate life's transitions and make sure that your legacy is protected for future generations. Consequences of not updating an estate plan. Failing to update your estate plan can have significant consequences, potentially leading to unintended outcomes and complications for your loved ones after you pass away. Here are some key consequences to consider. Outdated beneficiary designations. One of the most common issues that arises from not updating an estate plan is having outdated beneficiary designations. If you fail to update your beneficiaries on accounts such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, or bank accounts, your assets may not be distributed according to your current wishes. This can lead to disputes among family members and confusion about your intended beneficiaries. 2. Changes in family dynamics. Families evolve over time due to births, deaths, marriages, divorces, and other life events. If your estate plan does not reflect these changes, it may not accurately represent your current intentions for how your assets should be distributed. For example, if you do not update your will after a divorce, your ex-spouse may still be entitled to inherit from your estate. 3. Tax implications. Tax laws and regulations are subject to change, and failing to update your estate plan accordingly could result in unnecessary tax consequences for your beneficiaries. By not taking advantage of current tax-saving strategies, or failing to adjust your plan to comply with new laws, your estate may incur higher taxes than necessary. 4. Inadequate asset protection. If your estate plan is outdated, it may not adequately protect your assets from creditors, lawsuits, or other potential threats. Updating your plan can help ensure that your assets are shielded from risks and that your beneficiaries receive the maximum protection available under the law. 5. Inefficient distribution of assets. Without updating your estate plan, your assets may be distributed in a way that is inefficient or does not align with your current goals. This could result in unnecessary delays, expenses, and complexities for your loved ones during the probate process. 6. Lost opportunities for charitable giving. If you have charitable intentions or causes you wish to support, failing to update your estate plan may prevent you from leaving a legacy through charitable donations. By updating your plan, you can ensure that your charitable wishes are fulfilled and make a meaningful impact on the causes you care about. The consequences of not updating your estate plan can be far-reaching and detrimental to both your legacy and your beneficiaries. It is essential to review and revise your plan regularly to reflect changes in your life circumstances, protect your assets, and ensure that your wishes are carried out effectively. Consulting with a qualified estate planning attorney can help you navigate these complexities and ensure that your estate plan remains up to date and aligned with your current intentions. Overview of the legal and financial implications of outdated estate plans. Having an updated estate plan is crucial to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are taken care of after you pass away. When an estate plan becomes outdated, several legal and financial implications may arise, potentially causing confusion, disputes, and unintended consequences. Here are some key points to consider. Ineffective distribution of assets. One of the primary purposes of an estate plan is to specify how your assets should be distributed upon your death. If your estate plan is outdated, it may not reflect your current wishes or financial situation. This could lead to assets being distributed in a way that you no longer desire, or to unintended beneficiaries. 2. Increased tax liability. Tax laws are subject to change, and an outdated estate plan may not take advantage of available tax-saving strategies. Failing to update your plan to account for current tax laws could result in higher estate taxes, leaving less for your beneficiaries. 3. Failure to address changes in family dynamics. Family relationships and dynamics can change over time due to births, deaths, marriages, divorces, or other circumstances. An outdated estate plan may not reflect these changes, potentially leading to disputes among family members or unintended beneficiaries receiving assets. 4. Risk of legal challenges. Outdated estate plans are more vulnerable to legal challenges. Beneficiaries who feel they have been unfairly treated or excluded may contest the plan in court, leading to costly and time-consuming litigation that can deplete the estate. 5. Lack of protection for incapacity. A comprehensive estate plan should not only address what happens after your death, but also plan for potential incapacity during your lifetime. Outdated documents may not include important provisions such as powers of attorney or healthcare directives, leaving you vulnerable in case of illness or incapacity. 6. Failure to address digital assets. In today's digital age, many people have valuable assets stored online, such as cryptocurrency, social media accounts, and digital files. An outdated estate plan may not address how these digital assets should be managed or distributed, leading to complications for your loved ones. 7. Missed opportunities for charitable giving. If you have charitable intentions, an outdated estate plan may miss opportunities to support causes that are important to you. By updating your plan, you can ensure that your charitable goals are met and potentially benefit from tax advantages related to charitable giving. Keeping your estate plan up to date is essential to avoid the legal and financial implications of an outdated plan. Regularly reviewing and updating your estate plan with the help of legal professionals can ensure that your wishes are accurately reflected, your assets are protected, and your loved ones are provided for according to your intentions. As we wrap up this first video in our series, Legal Tips for Updating Your Estate Plan, it's clear that estate planning isn't just a one-time task. It's a lifelong commitment to protecting your legacy and ensuring your loved ones are cared for. Life changes, and so should your plan. By keeping it updated, You're not only safeguarding your assets, but also giving your family the gift of clarity and peace during difficult times. Think of your estate plan as a reflection of your life's work, values, and care for those closest to you. By taking the time to review and adjust it when necessary, you're building a strong foundation for the future, one that reflects who you are today and what matters most to you. So don't wait for tomorrow. Stay proactive, keep your plan current, and take charge of your legacy with confidence and purpose. Your future, and the future of your loved ones, deserves nothing less. Join us in the next video as we dive deeper into the practical steps for keeping your estate plan aligned with your evolving life.